Hi yo, welcome back to Bamglam DIY. So in this video, I want to show you how the easiest way, the cheapest way you can actually make laundry bar soap that has good quality and attributes like the store-bought bar soap, which are hardness, ability to last long, very firm, and then it should also be able to lather perfectly. That's foam very well when the person is using it to wash either dishes or clothes. Arriving at all these qualities of soap means that you have to upgrade your formula and make use of very good quality recipes. Sometimes making those kind of soap might even be pricey, but I'll try as much as possible to make this recipe to be a bit cheap or a bit friendly. So we'll be working with less additives to make our soap. Like some of us don't even know that you can actually make your soap, your laundry bar soap, with only caustic soda and water. There are so many videos on the internet here teaching how you can make your soup with only three ingredients and two ingredients. And yet some of us view those videos and just ignore it. Why? Those videos actually speak volume. You can actually try it out and reduce the money you use in buying your chemicals. A bag of soda ash now in the market can even be as expensive as 45,000 naira. You can remove that from your list and strike it out. You can strike out sulfate from your list. You can just buy your oil, buy your caustic and go back home. And maybe silicate to work on your hardness. The color, which is brown color, is in high demand. So everybody wants to make a brown soap. So I know you don't want to miss this video. So stay tuned. Meanwhile, we also have our mini cutters for sale. This is how our mini cutter set comes with. We have the tabletop cutter, which is very affordable. Don't worry, this set is very affordable, very affordable. It's not even as expensive as what others sell. It comes with two mold, and our mold, we make our mold with and cutters with good products, good wood, that's HDF, high density fiber. It comes with this groove trimmer and then the stamp. These four items are included: two molds, the tabletop cutter, the groove, the stamp. Everything is included, and this is how we package it. We can waybill it to any part of the country you are in. So please, also when you buy this mini cutter from us and you see this thing placed underneath, it's just a stopper. It's just to help you to place it on any surface. Bear in mind, I don't know the table you are using in your house. So any table you have, so far it has this flat edge. It's just supposed to help you to hold your cutter in place so that you can push your soap through and then cut your soap. We also have table cutters for those who are looking at bigger productions. These are our table cutters, are more pricey. It comes with the very stable leg that make it very sturdy so that it can stand firm. We have molds of different sizes available for sale. And then the mini cutters are also available in different even available in different colors. We have a lot of quantities that can go around. Even if you want us to produce up to 100 pieces of it for you, it is available. Once you make payments through our WhatsApp chat, our WhatsApp contact, you drop your details for your staff. But let's just go straight into the video and see how we're going to produce this soap. This is going to be a very short video, and I hope you actually love it. You will share this video and then you subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I'm making this soap with minimal things. So this is my oil. I'm using sludge palm kernel oil. Sludge palm kernel oil is nothing more than the bottom. You know, when you crack the palm kernel in the factory, then the top layer is always lighter in color. Then there is now the bottom part, which is darker. So the darker part is always cheaper. That's what soapers use. So this dark color will help to give us the color we are using. The measurement was actually written on the screen. I'm making use of just oil and lye solution to make this soap. The lye solution, I measured out 2 liters of water, while the oil is 3 liters of water. The lye solution, I prepared it with 2 liters of water and 550 grams of caustic soda only. And then the silicate I'm adding is 500 ml of silicate, please. 500 ml of silicate, that's half a liter. This will help with the appearance of the soap and also the hardening of the soap. Once you are done, mix everything together. After mixing your lye and your caustic together, allow it to cool down to about the temperature of like bathing water. That means it should be around 40 degrees centigrade or 45 degrees centigrade before you start soaping. Let's say, for instance, you soak your caustic in the morning. Just give it about 4 hours or 3 hours to cool off before you start making your soap. Also, if you want to also boost your foaming, this soap will actually foam, but you can also add in something like a sulfonic acid into your oil. Like 40 mils is okay before you start soaping. And then you go ahead and add in your fragrance. About 50 ml of fragrance or 20 mils, sorry, about 20 mils of fragrance is enough for the soap. Please bear in mind, because of the limited quantity of water that is being added in this soap will give you a very hard bath, and it will also last even if we are making use of only palm kernel oil. Even though I'm not blending in other oils, but because of the way the formula is being made and because of the quantities of the things that are being used, this soap will last for the person that is making use of it to wash soap. It wouldn't be the cases of, oh, I bought soap from you and before you know, it has finished. Just like the other types of soap that we make. I'm not going into details for now. So with this product here, and if you are using our cutter, if you want to cut the smaller sizes with this batch, you are going to be making about 75 pieces of the small sizes. Those small sizes ranges from 100 naira to 120 naira in the market. You, with our cutter, you can even cut up to 4 different sizes or 3 different sizes. If you want to cut it longer, the ones you can sell 150, you'll be getting about 60 pieces of it with our sets. You understand? Then if you want to cut the bigger soap, just like the baby and me soap, you'll be getting about 48 pieces to 56 pieces of it from this mold, if I'm correct. So don't worry, this recipe, like I said, is profiting. You can calculate with what you are buying in the market. Please, if you are buying retail palm kernel oil every day in the market that you are making soap, that's not a wise business idea if you want to go into soap. If you want to go into soaping, try and see how you can buy your oils in keg so that you stop wasting money every day that the oil adds money. Caustic soda is very expensive now during this ember season. You can actually wait till next year. With this recipe, you can combine oil. You can make only palm kernel oil. You can make only palm oil. You can even combine the palm kernel oil and palm oil. This recipe, because it does not have plenty additives, so you can use a whole lot of blends of oil to make it, and then you achieve a very good and nice bar of soap, and you sell it according to how you produce it. Can you see the way we limited the additives we use in this soap? How we cut down all the extra materials that we would have used in making this particular soap, thereby saving money. Also we made a very beautiful soap. You can see how the outcome was looking in the beginning of the video. So please try this method. Try and make it in bigger batches if you wish, and you will actually love the outcome. Like I said, the outcome is fascinating. This soap is fascinating on its own. You'll just be surprised. You can make this soap on a Monday, and before Friday this soap should be out from your home. It should be in the market where you sell your soap. It is friendly. It's not harsh on the hands. In fact, it is everything a soap needs to be. And it's also very foamy. We will sample it so that you can see how foamy it is. It lathers very well. This is one of the easiest recipe anybody can do. Whether you are an advanced soaper or a first time soaper, you can always make this recipe. Even me, I make it. You can see it here. Before you know, I've packed this soap into cartons. Like I said, if you cut this size, you'll be having about 75 pieces of it. If you are selling 100 and 120, that depends. And then you have some cut out from it. If you are cutting this longer size of soap, this is 4 inches by length, and this 4 inches by length. If you are cutting this size, you'll be realizing about 60 pieces of this. I believe this is the F29 size that is sold in the market. F29 in my area is about 300 naira per bar. So I don't know how much you want to sell your own, but yours needs to be cheaper than the F29. So like I said, the cutter you are buying from us, you can get variety of sizes from it. When you buy it from me, I will teach you more about how to use it and get different sizes, and then you'll be able to make a very beautiful and perfect soap like this, irrespective of the recipe you are using. Our cutter and our mold can suit in for it perfectly. Any type of recipe you are making, whether hot process, semi-hot process, cold process, don't bother yourself. My set of cutter is okay and convenient for you to use. You can go for the big table cutters or you can go for the mini cutters. Just send us a WhatsApp message with the number on the screen and we'll arrange it for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you appreciate this video.